In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Access Denied Errors 2026 Guide. If you're suddenly blocked from using ChatGPT, don't worry. This error is usually a temporary security flag or a small configuration issue. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable sequence to get you back in quickly, starting with the fastest checks and moving to deeper fixes only if needed. First, try a quick reset. Sign out of your ChatGPT account, then sign back in. If you originally used an email and password, consider using your Google account for the re-login, as it can streamline authentication. Next, refresh your network by switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or the other way around. This helps if your current IP address has been temporarily flagged. Finally, if the app is giving you trouble, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to chat.openai.com. If it loads there, you've confirmed the issue is app-specific. If you're on Android and still seeing access denied, clear the app's cache and, if needed, its data. Press and hold the ChatGPT app icon, tap the information button, go to storage, and tap clear cache. If the error persists, tap clear data. This will sign you out and reset app settings, but it will not delete your saved conversations, so it's safe to try. On iPhone or iPad, offload the app to refresh its core files without removing your personal content. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find ChatGPT, tap Offload App, and once it completes, tap Reinstall App from the same screen. This effectively forces a clean update while preserving your documents. Next, review your network and privacy tools. Disable any VPN or proxy service, as these are commonly blocked to reduce automated traffic. If your device or security suite uses features like Secure DNS or Web Protect, temporarily turn them off to remove extra filtering that can interfere with authentication. Also, make sure your device's date and time are set to update automatically. Incorrect timestamps can break secure connections and trigger access errors. If nothing else works, the problem may be on the server side. Visit status.openai.com to check for active incidents. You can also open ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. If it works there, that points to a browser extension or a cookie conflict in your main session. And that is all for today. Most access errors are just temporary security flags that a quick data clear or network switch can solve. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in